Hello everybody, my name is Chuan Kang and today I'll be showcasing to you our prototype called DuoCrypt. So what is DuoCrypt? DuoCrypt is a model that takes in a string of text from a document as an input, and this model will actually sift through this large chain of text and identify where are the PIIs. So for instance, in this case, this example case over here, my name is Chuan Kang. So Chuan Kang over here is the PII in question. So the model will specifically sieve out PII Chuan Kang, and then it will undergo this encryption process to generate a bunch of random ciphertext over here, giving us our output, my name is blah 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 as our ciphertext, effectively encrypting the whole code. And later on, Bernice will be sharing with you how the code works. And
model that we chose to fine tune and work on is Piranha, which is a personal information detector. So it will detect the PIIs and substitute them with redacted. Yeah, so moving on to our code, what we did instead of simply redacting it is to actually use AES-256, which is the current industry standard, to encrypt the PIIs instead of redacting it so that we are able to decrypt it and still get the original PIIs back. So in our code and in AS in general, you need a key and an IV, and this can be decided by the organization who is using this AS algorithm. So in this case, I actually did a pseudo-random generation, and I got the key and IV, and then I used it to encrypt my plain text after having it. So shortly after this, I will show you what it looks like. And I also created a AES decryption method in case people in the organization, they want to access and see what the PIIs actually are. So we can decrypt the ciphertext and get back the plain text. Yeah, using the same key and IV. So let me just run the code. And an example sentence of this, we can put in the name and we can also put in the location. So after running the code, only the PIIs will be encrypted like this. So it returns a hex string ciphertext. And in this case, if we put this into ChatGPT, it can still understand the context and perform the actions needed. Yeah, so if we want to get this back, we can also decrypt it, and we can get back the original plain text PIIs.